Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the complete tutorial guide about the MG's sunroof system. The MG sunroof does come with two different switches on different vehicles and different models. This particular switch is the first one and this particular switch is the second one. For your convenience, I'll leave this video in two different parts for you to skip forward, as always, on the timestamps down below. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like. That will be really helpful for the channel. And let's get through it. First part of this video will be this particular switch. This switch is available on the ZST Generation 2 or the MG HS range for the current MG vehicles in New Zealand and Australia. So to open the cover, where the cover is closed, you have used this switch over here. This switch allows you to do a light touch. That means it goes anywhere you stop, or you can do a very hard push to go all the way. That means you just need to do one click and it goes all the way back. If you wish to stop anywhere, just do a touch either forward or backwards. That will stop. Otherwise, go all the way. That will close, that will open all the way. And if you wish to close it whenever you like, same way, light touch forward allows you to go as much as you like, then it will stop, or give it a hard push to all the way. That means it's going to close completely. So that's how to use the first switch. The second switch is our sunroof opening. The sunroof opening does have two different positions. First position is called tilt. That means if you push this part to up position, just like that, that will open, and push it forward, that will close. You can also do a very light touch as well. That means it's gonna go halfway, or light touch forward to go halfway. Otherwise, it'll close all the way. And to open or slide the glass, you can use this switch again. So going backwards by small touch, that's gonna go as much as you stop, or you can go all the way. That's gonna go all the way as much as it can. Just like that, the full glass is open. You can do a light touch forward to close to wherever you stop, or you can go all the way. It's gonna stop all the way. And while the glass is open, you also have this net cover to stop any road trips or anything like that going to the rear cabin. And here are some of the additional functions you can use the sunroof. First function is your ventilation. You can quickly engage I call it ventilation mode, where you stop the vehicle or you're parking somewhere, you can push this cover just upwards. That means the cover slides open to some distance, and the window on the top does slide on the top, so you get a little bit airflow coming inside if it's hot in summer, stuff like that. After you finish, you just push all the way, that's gonna close, and push this all the way, it's gonna close the cover. And second function is you don't have to engage this cover. If you do wish to open the glass, you only need to just press this. That means the glass and the cover will open at the same time, but the cover will not go all the way back. If you only use this way, that means the cover is still going to cover anything at the back and the glass is fully open. If you wish to open the cover, just press this all the way. Pretty simple. And whenever you finish, you can press the cover. That means the glass will go back first, and then the cover will go back again. So it's just an easy, quick step to close the cover if you wish. And the next additional feature is your cover will not go more than your glass. What that means is, even if right now you're gonna close your cover will only come to where your glass opens. So it's not gonna go further than your glass, because it's not safe for the cover to be bouncing around while you're driving the vehicle. After that, you have to close the cover first, or close the glass first, sorry about that. And then before you can close the cover. Just like that. So that's how that works with the cover and glass engagement. The next feature, the sunroof glass and the cover itself will both have a anti-pinch system. What that means is, in case there are any objective in the way between the cover and between the glass while it's closing, it will bounce back. So it's not going to force into you. So let's try that. just like that. So it will bounce back. You can still force to close by pushing this lever. That means the glass will still force close, obviously without your hands in the middle. Same with the cover, it's got anti-pinch system. Just like that, so it will bounce back to the position. And the last feature is how to initialize your sunroof operating system. You may only need this when your vehicle runs out of flat battery or your system gets reset, or in any situation, if the sunroof is not operating as you should, you can initialize it. This is the way. While the sunroof is fully closed, just use the lever. So if you want to initialize the cover first, just push and hold, and make sure you hold it all the way until everything happens. So after about, let's say about 10 seconds, the cover will automatically open. So you still need to hold this, by the way. Then it will bounce back. Now the system is reset. That's the first way. While you're doing the process, you always have to hold this all the way forward. Same with the glass. We're gonna push and hold. It's gonna open for a very small amount of position, and it's gonna bounce back. Just like that. Once it's fully closed, we can release the button. So that's how to initialize your sunroof operating system. Alright, that's the end of that video. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please subscribe and like if you find this video helpful. Alright, this is the second type of the sunroof operation. So this particular switch is available on most of the, let's say, the MG ZS range, which is ZS, ZST, and the Generation 1, ZS EV. You find this switch over here. So the first one, to open the cover, you have the arrow button underneath. If you do a very light touch for the arrow button, it's only slide until you stop. Or you can press it harder, just go all the way and give it a click. That means it's gonna go all the way back. The second touch with either the going back or forward button allows you to stop the cover basically. And if you want to continue going, just press again. It's gonna go all the way just like that. And if you want to open the glass itself, there are two ways. One way is to tilt. If you wish to tilt, just push this upwards. That's gonna tilt open. If you want to stop the tilting or close the tilt, drop it in. That's pretty simple as well. If you wish to open the glass, you need to twist this, rotate this to different clicks. You can see the dots around here. If you want to go one, it's gonna stay around the first position. If you go a few more clicks, it's gonna go all the way. You can go to the last click. This is as far as it goes, but it's not all the way just yet. You can twist this switch and you feel it's bouncing back. This is as far as it goes. It's gonna go to the full opening position for the glass at the front. When the glass is open, you also get this protection net for anything while you're driving. And to close everything, you do need to just switch all the way. Again, whichever you click stays, you're gonna stay all the way. That means the glass will close. And closing the shade is very simple as well. Just give it a hard push, it's gonna close. Again, if you do touch it, that's gonna stop. Or if you do a light touch, it's gonna only close to wherever you finish touching. That's how that works. And here are some of the additional features you can use the sunroof. First one, the cover and the glass operate in totally separate motion. That means you can open the glass while the cover is still closed, just like that. Only thing I would recommend, you don't want this position where the glass is open and the cover is closed while you're driving on high speed, as these will bounce around the cover. It may damage or may affect the usage of the cover. But you can just go all the way, you can open the glass while the cover is still in the way. So that gives you extra airflow. You can also tilt while the cover is fully closed. And the second feature, the glass itself and the cover itself will both have anti-pinch system. That means if I'm gonna close all the way, I'll leave my hands just like that. As it's feeling the objective, it's gonna bounce back. Same with the cover. just like that. That will bounce back. I do not recommend you to try this at home. And the last feature will be how to initialize the particular system for the cover and for the glass operation motor. In case your vehicle runs out of battery, you change the 12-volt battery, or your screen or your system gets reset, but for some reason you can't initialize the sunroof. That means to initialize the cover, you will need to use this button, which is the forward arrow button, and push and hold. While you're doing that, you have to hold all the way, by the way. Just like that. The cover open to a certain level and close all the way. That's finished. While you're doing the initializing system, you have to hold it while you're initializing during the whole process. And to initialize the sunroof or the glass itself, you need to push this down and hold. Again, for more than 10 seconds until you feel the glass is open and closed again. Just like that, open to a level, then close. That means the initializing process is all done for the glass and the sunroof. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the contents. If you do, please subscribe and like to support this channel. As always, I will see you next video. Thank you very much.